Hi beauties, welcome back. So for today's look, I will be doing a cut crease for y'all, and I will be using the BH Cosmetics times Daisy Marquez palette, and then I will be using the Trends Beauty Mosaic palette. You guys, both of these palettes are super bomb and they're so inexpensive. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I came up with this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. You guys, this foundation has been my weakness lately, and it's the Morphe Fluidity, and I'm in the shade F220. Ugh, it's super bomb. As you guys can see, I have some dark circles, so I'm taking the peach corrector from LA Girl Cosmetics, and then for my concealer, I'm taking the Fit Me in the shade 20. To set my concealer and bake, I'm going in with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. You guys, this is my very first time trying it, and I'm really impressed with it. And it's super inexpensive, and it smells really, really good. To bronze my face, I decided to purchase the Butter Bronzer. The only reason I purchased it was because Daisy Marquez had mentioned that it was really good. You guys, it's one of my favorites right now, and it smells so good. It literally smells like butter. The only thing is that it is a little bit pricey, being, you know, that it is a drugstore makeup. But other than that, it's really good. I've been obsessed with baking under my cheekbones, and it's been working really, really good. The only thing I do different is that I do spray my sponge with water. That way it won't be so harsh and dry on my skin. So just a little secret for the people that like to contour the nose and just like that little perkier look. Go ahead and use like a darker brown shade at the tip of your nose, and it's going to give you that effect. Moving on to my brows, I do like to use the Anastasia Dip Brow, and I'm in the shade Chocolate. First, I like to just comb out my hairs just to kind of see where I'm going to go ahead and apply the product. And then I'll just go in, just start feathering everything, and then just blend everything together. For my eye base, I'm using the Fit Me concealer in the shade 20. Onto my eyes, I'm taking the Daisy Marquez palette and I'm going in with the shade Karma. And my favorite brush, as you guys know, it's the M562 from Morphe. I'm just applying it all over inside my crease and then just kind of bringing it out since it is going to be a cut crease. For my next shade, I am taking the shade Flower, and that's just going to be my transitioning color. So I didn't feel like I had to be showing you guys because I feel like in other videos I've been showing you guys. But I did go back and forth with both of the colors and just kind of played with it until I got the desired look that I was going for. So to cut my crease, again, I went in with the same concealer that fit me in the shade 20. You guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so dumb. I had the freaking mirror like right there in front of the camera. So I'm sorry if I blocked you guys from seeing a little bit. Okay, so for my next palette, I'm going in with the Mosaic from Trend Beauty. You guys, these palettes are so freaking bomb. I've told you guys before, and they're only $12.50, and the pigmentation is like seriously so good. And I did take the shade Picture Perfect. So I decided to take the shade Dream from Daisy Marquez palette just to kind of give it like an extra pop. And oh my god, like it just made my eyes pop out a little bit more, and it's just so beautiful. Both of the shades are really, really beautiful. And then for my inner corner, I'm taking the shade Icy. So for my waterline, I decided to take the shade Modern Twist from the Mosaic palette. And as you guys can see, it's really pigmented. Like, I'm not just saying this just to say it. This palette is really, really pigmented. Okay, so I do want the bottom of my eyes to match the top, so I decided to go in with the shade Karma and then the shade Flower and just blend everything together. My lashes are from Bella Eyes Inc. and these are some of my favorite lashes. They are in the style Juliet. I do have a discount code. It is Rubylay. If you guys want to go ahead and use it, you can go ahead and save a little bit of money. And then for my lips, I am using the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Hot Shot. It's a really, really pretty red orangey shade. Okay, so taking another favorite palette from Trend Beauty is the Unicorn Dust Highlight Palette. And I'm using the Mystical Highlight. And oh my god, you guys see that pigmentation. Like, I haven't just been telling you guys this just to say it. Like, you guys can see it's super, super good. Alright, my love, so this is it for this video. I know it's kind of short, but you know, it's just kind of like a cut crease kind of idea look that you guys can go ahead and do. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!